Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find out your Wi-Fi's password. So in case if you have forgotten your Wi-Fi's password, then there's just a very small and simple trick to find out the Wi-Fi's password. So what you have to do is open command prompt and paste this command, copy this command and paste this. So ensure to replace this net name with your current Wi-Fi name. So the current Wi-Fi which I have connected, its name is netname. So that's why I have mentioned in this command is netname. So once you have entered the command, click the enter key. So as soon as you enter the command, you will find your Wi-Fi password under security settings in key content. So right now you can see my Wi-Fi password over here. So that's all in this video. I hope you all like the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you all for watching.